everyone, today I'm going to show in this video tutorial that how I got Sucker for Love First Date on my iPhone. As you can see, I'm having the game right here on my iPhone. I'm going to demonstrate to you in this video tutorial step by step that how you can get it, also use the game and play it in your mobiles. I'm just going to open for a while the game so you can see it works and runs perfectly, and then we'll go immediately to show the steps you need to follow in order to get the game also you in your mobiles. You can see you can use the finger mouse to play and choose about the, okay, here it comes. We can choose different, okay, we can go to the first one, okay, and then you just need to follow these steps I'm going to show you in this tutorial in order you can get also the game on your mobiles. Okay, so we don't lose more time, we'll go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get the game also you on your mobiles. So guys, before we start the loading process of the mod, you need to make a check-in before, so it means that you need to go to settings and then you need to scroll it down till to the battery and make sure that you are not in lower power mode. This will help you the downloading process of the game to be faster and smoother. The second step you need to do, you need to go to Safari and in the browser that you use, you need to search for a website called freeinjects.com. This is the name of the website. I'm just focusing for you. You just need to enter inside of this website and you're going to face a bunch of other applications, a lot of games to it and modded apps and games. So later on you can scroll it by yourself and check it. If you don't want to get any one of them, you can get it without needing to pay nothing. I'm just going to go in the top to search in the searching bar, so do not lose time by scrolling, and search for our game called Sucker for Love First Date, and it says over here download and play Sucker for Love First Date mobile on iOS and Android for free. So all you have to do, you need to press in the middle and then to press this sign green download now and to wait a couple of seconds, downloading process of the game to proceed. So as you can see, the steps are not so difficult, guys, are quite simple and easy. When I found it out, I was very impressed. So you just watch this video until the end, and in order to understand all the steps you need to follow in order to get the game on your mobiles. I need to mention to you one more time that also for Android devices it's possible to get the game. So all you have to do, you need to follow the same steps I'm showing to you in this tutorial with my iPhone. Okay, the next step is going to send you to the verifying zone, same as it did to me when I got to the game. So practically you're going to read in descriptions that it says over here, download and complete the instructions below in order to unlock Sucker for Love First Date on your device. In order to unlock the game, you need to complete the instructions below, which it means that you're going to face a couple of apps, which most of them are very popular and well-known apps, and there is nothing to get worried about it. So how it worked and how I got the game for myself, I'm going to show you step by step right now. So after I completed two of these two apps and after I downloaded two of these two apps and I completed the instructions, it pop up on my iPhone. So I'm going to demonstrate to you step by step how I did it. For example, I chose iOS social calendar, I press on it, tap to install. It will connect automatically with the Apple Store in the case when you're using iOS, and in Play Store in the case when you're using Android. So in my Apple Store, it shows the sign open because I downloaded before as iOS social calendar from myself to you. It will show the sign of downloading. So practically all you have to do, you need to press to download the app. After you download it, you need to open for at least 30 seconds. The reason why you need to open at least 30 seconds, it is enough time required the information and data process it from the website to the game, guys. So after I completed the first app, I got back to the website and I downloaded the second app and I completed the instruction for the second app, which is State of Survival. So if you go to the website, you're going to see iOS social calendar on the top, State of Survival over here. This, it doesn't mean that you need to complete the same apps as I did, because maybe they will not show up in different countries, can show up different apps, and maybe will not show up the same apps. You just need to try it with the apps that will show you in the verification part when you come in this stage. And with the apps that will show you, you will try with those ones. So guys, this is how it worked for me, and this is how I got it, the game Sucker for Love First Date on my iPhone. And I hope my video will help you, and I hope that you like it. So before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. Cheers.